Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Bacon Egg Bites. So these are their little egg bites, and they have a good amount of protein in each of them. I think it's about 16 to 20 grams per two of these, so pretty decent. And they come in a cool little Reese cup style thing, and comes with a fork as well. And these look really good. Egg white bites, or the egg bites, are a pretty good staple in my Starbucks choices because they are so good. And they, see that there, they're just eggs and bacon. I think that's about it. I don't know, salt, seasoning, but I'll get right into these because they're amazing and smell really good. So they're like nice and a little cakey texture. It's interesting. I'll go right at it though. And it somehow has a taste that's very familiar of all other Starbucks food. I don't know if their microwave has this thing in it that makes it taste all the same. Not the same, but like a same general taste. Very good though. Delicious eggs. Ah, so good. And there's a little bit of bacon in it too. Not like a crazy amount, but this is enough to give it some flavor. This is really good though. The egg bites come in a few different types. This is the bacon one though. Delicious. Yeah, a piece of bacon was really good. All right, this is the last piece of the first one. I'll give my review on this. So good. So bacon egg bites, they don't have an egg taste to them really. Like they got a salty bacon taste kind of going in there. It doesn't taste like normal eggs, and if you're not normally a fan of eggs, you might actually end up liking these because they taste good, and they had like a bacon flavor, a cakey texture. Nothing about these really reminds me of eggs a whole lot, besides the fact that they are eggs. So people that don't like eggs might actually end up liking this. Kind of cool. So I would give the bacon egg bites from Starbucks an 8 to an 8.5 out of 10. Very flavorful. They're good, small, light, and they got protein. So can't complain about that. I personally really like these, and the bacon ones are quite good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.